Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Langclub. We have been having a ton of amazing English conversation practice sessions lately. Now this week, I'd like to invite you all to a very special social English Metaverse hangout session. We are going to be playing a Metaverse Escape Room map called Escape the Dungeon. Let me tell you how it's going to work. The session will be hosted in GatherTown. If you don't know how GatherTown works, just check out the tutorial I made for our previous Metaverse sessions. I'll put a link to that video in the description. When you join the session, you'll use the WASD keys to walk around. Just hit the X key to interact with objects. You'll need to search the dungeon and find clues that will help you escape. Unlike our normal conversation sessions, this social event will not have a list of topics to discuss. Instead, you're going to need to use English to communicate with other members of Langclub, to find clues and navigate the map. It's something a little bit different, and it should be a lot of fun. It's going to be completely free to join us, and it's going to be a blast. Now, the Metaverse Escape Room session will be limited to a maximum of just 25 people. So if you're interested, be sure to sign up on our website, langclub.live. I hope to see you there.